Class 10th important problem from applications of trigonometry. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 120 meters above a lake is 30 degrees and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud. So before going to start the problem, see if it is a cloud problem and 120 meters above the lake, so the answer of this problem, height of the cloud will be 240. Because in CBSE they cannot change the question, they'll give 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So when the angle will be 30 degrees and 60 degrees, if we are observing the angle of elevation above 120 meters, then the answer will be 240. If we are observing above 60 meters, then the answer will be like 120. If it is 100 meters, the solution will be, the height of the cloud will be like 200 meters because the angles will be 30 and 60 only. So here I'll take a lake A, B. Above a lake, this is lake. Above a lake 120 meters. So from this point they are observing the cloud. So this is cloud. The angle of elevation of a cloud. So the angle of elevation from this point is 30 degrees. The angle of depression of its image reflection in the lake is 60 degrees. So here the reflection, this lake will act like a plane mirror. So here this is the height of the cloud. Its image also will come at the same distance here. Here will be the image. So this also will be H. So the angle of depression of its image. So here it is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So we need to find the height of the cloud, means we need to find BC. This you can consider it as D and this point you can take it as E. So now this horizontal distance I'll consider it as X. Now I'll take the triangle PDC. Triangle PDC and triangle PDE. So here PDC and PDE, triangle PDE. And before that, if you'll observe the diagram here, this total is H and this BD is 120. So this CD, it will be H minus 120. And if you'll see carefully, this DE will be H. This is H and this is 120. So DE will be H plus 120. This is H plus 120 and this value will be like H minus 120. Now PDC. In PDC, theta is here. Opposite we have an adjacent. So if we'll use tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Tan 30. Opposite is H minus 120 by X. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is H minus 120 by X. If you cross multiply, X equals H minus 120 into root 3. Now if you take the triangle PDE, theta is 60. So tan 60 equals, for 60 degrees opposite will be H plus 120 and adjacent is X. Tan 60 is root 3 equals H plus 120 by X. If you cross multiply, X equals H plus 120 by root 3. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Both the equations I wrote in terms of X. Now I can equate these two from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, H you can write from equation 1 and equation 2. H minus 120 into root 3 equals H plus 120 by root 3. If we transpose, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So H minus 120 into 3 equals H plus 120. So 3 times H minus 3 into 120 is 360 equals H plus 120. So now here 3h minus h equals 120 plus 360. So 2h equals here 480. So the answer will be like 480 by 2, that is 2 times 1, 2 times 240. So height is 240 meters. So height of the cloud, therefore the height of the cloud is 240 meters, which I told already. If it is 120 meters and the angle is 30-60, for cloud they'll give the angle 30 and 60 only. So the height of the cloud is 240 meters. It is double of 120. If it is 100 meters, the answer will be 200. If it is 60, 120. If we are observing at a height of 50 meters, the answer will be 100. But here it is 120. So once again I am telling the answer will be double.